While you are put there, you are going to be like a judicial officer. You are going to be like a judge. And when you are a judge, you are not supposed to be under any influence, whether or any pressure. And you are going to look at the facts given there objectively and come up with a resolution which will be satisfactory to the person who is being accused, because he knows why he is being accused, and to the people who are accusing him. Mr. Speaker, as a senator of Siaya, I don't want to express, because I know what others don't know, but what I really don't want to speak anything which can prejudice the investigations on this matter. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I support the select committee.
Senator Sige.
I thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I support the motion that has been tabled by the majority leader. Mr. Speaker, the process that the select committee is going to embark on is a constitutional process. It is a process that the law provides to give a remedy to a breach or a perceived breach of a government or a system of government. This is one way with which we will expect justice